Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. As you guys have been seeing these last few weeks, I've been on a huge Sterkowski kick. And so that's what this review is going to be about today. And this cap here is going to be a little bit of a different cap. I never had a cap like this before. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a goofy, or not a goofy, but more of a different kind of cap review. This is going to be the Patrol Cap by Sterkowski Hats. And yeah, so this week's installment of When You Die, You Can't Take It With You type thing is, if you got it, you might as well go ahead and use it now instead of, because you can't take it with you when you pass away. So one thing's going to lead to this, and that's either going to be, if I have grandkids, they're going to have a pretty cool cap collection, or somebody's, that, or it's going to be one of those things like, that's what Grandpa got. I don't know why he got it, but yeah. But again, you can't take it with you. So this is the Sterkowski one here. This is the Patrol Cap. I did get olive green, and this has an adjustable strap in the back. Here's the box it came in, and yeah, that's what my grandpa used to say all the time. He used to be like, I'm pretty cheap, I'm pretty stingy with my funds. My wife, however, is not. She's a little more free spirited when it comes to the old economy adjuster. And right now the economy is doing pretty well, I guess, because she's spending some money, and I guess I am too. And like I said, this is you always say, if you got it, spend it. You can't take it with you. You know, always be like, he always tells us about trips too. Make sure you take as many trips you can as a family, make memories, because those memories are going to be gone. And he's true. It's true. The older you get, I remember making memories with our daughter growing up, going to Disney, going to Orlando, just about every summer, if not maybe twice a year. And you make those memories, because now she's moved out. She's married now, and she has 2 kids. They're not kids. She has a dog named Hooper and a cat named Deuce. We got Ace. That was our first kid, but Ace and Deuce didn't exactly get along. So, yeah, so we got Ace now. But yeah, this is the cap here. This is Sterkowski cap. Of course, you got on the inside, you got the box. All the little sayings there. And, yeah, Heritage 1926. Selected materials. Visit us at Sterkowski. And then you've got the phone number of the Poland number of Warsaw. And yeah, that's it. So this is the size of 60-61 with adjustable strap. This is it here. Different kind of cap. It's kind of like a baseball type cap. It's called a Patrol Cap. And here's a little tag that came with it. This hat is like a buddy together. You'll make some awesome stories to look back and smile. There you go. That's what we're just not talking about, memories. And make them while you got them. Make them while you can. While everybody's still here, you don't want it to be like where, the only time people get together is funerals. And that's doesn't need to be like that. So, and I got this pretty cool GI type blade here. And this thing actually cuts without having to use a little slot on the side here. So you just got to go like this. And it cuts it right away. You don't even got to pull the blade open or anything. And of course, it did such a good job that it pulled the tag right out there. But yeah, this is it here. This is the inside. And I'm pretty excited to try this one on. Sterkowski makes a huge variety of caps. I know First 508th Airborne, he recently purchased some Harley caps from him. Looking forward to see what those look like. And, but yeah. This kind of has like that Fidel Castro type look. Yeah, that's what that reminds me of. So let's go ahead and pause the video, show you a close-up, and we're going to try it on. And here's a close-up of the Patrol that says olive green. And this here is Ace. I gave him some treats that Todd sent me from Shirt Show, Rad Caps. Those treats good there, bud? Ace hasn't been feeling the best. We've been going to the vet quite a bit. Get a little allergy issue, and we're going to take him to get his first grooming next Monday. They have some kind of special shampoo they're going to try to use to see if that'll slow down the allergy itching. But yeah, this is the Patrol Cap. Pretty cool. Got the Sterkowski lining. Sterkowski is extra large. And I got that adjustable strap in the back. And I think there's actually a pin on this one. Yep, there it is right there. Sterkowski. Yeah, that's going to be a nice one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pause the video and go to a quick commercial for the Gentleman's Roundtable. Then we're going to try this bad boy on. Ace is going to try to get in this box. I don't know if you're going to fit in this one, bud. You going to try it? Huh? Yeah, you're going to try it? It's going to be okay, bud. You're going to be getting back to better here shortly. Yeah, we can't have you sick. We've got to have the viewers like you too much. They always ask how Hayes is doing. Yep. Yeah, you're going to be okay, bud. Little butt pats. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, does that sound good, bud? Try it on. All right. All right, so here it is. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. What do you think, Ace? You like it? Yeah. See if this is, that's a little too big right now. I gotta make it a little smaller. Let's go ahead and pull this strap in about a ½ an inch. How do you do that? There it goes. It's a little bit more of a tester as far as getting it to go in these little holes here. All right, pause this for a second. I got to figure this one out here. So here I was trying to fish this through this little hole. And the actuality is if you go on the inside of this liner, you can actually feel that strap to just pull it. Yeah. Yeah. So don't be like me and try to take 2 minutes to try to figure out how to, kind of like when you try to feed a string back through your sweatshirt. It's not like that on this. You actually got access to where you can pull the lever thingamajigger. Yep, much better now. Yep. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on here. This is the Patrol Cap by Sterkowski Hat. Make it a wee bit larger. There we go. All right. All right. Yeah, I actually dig this. Yeah. You like this one, Ace? Yeah. Not bad. I have to go move to Cuba. See if I can have a little pistol on my little pocket there, like the old Fidel Castro used to do. Let's go ahead and show you a close-up of this one here. I'll give me one moment. All right, let's go ahead and show you a little close-up on this one. This one I actually dig this. But yeah, this is like almost the same exact cap that Fidel Castro would use. You know, for the military, for the Cuban military, that Cuban military police wear, cop you wear. And if you're not familiar with the history between the United States and Cuba, and wondering why they have like 1960 and 1970 diesel Mercedes in Cuba, go ahead and Google that. It's pretty wild. Yeah, they just keep on fixing up the old Mercedes over there in Cuba. All right, so this is the Fidel Castro. Well, not the Fidel, but it's the Patrol by Sterkowski. But it does look like Fidel Castro's cap. I like this. I'm going to wear this. It's a pretty cool looking cap. And let me know what you guys think of this cap. And again, this is by Sterkowski Hat, the Patrol. And you get it at Sterkowski.com. Actually, I think I got this one off of, I got this off of either Amazon or Sterkowski.com. But if you use that HATS1926, you get 10% off code. And Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody tune in to the Gentleman's Roundtable next Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, 8:30 p.m. Central, as we have some great things in store. All right, everybody. Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.